Hey guys, welcome back to CCK Extras. So today we are going to be making some slime. We've seen like lots of tutorials on how to do slime on YouTube and we really wanted to give it a go, so we did. You're gonna need to add some like liquidy glue. So
stick.
like before we drop them in.
Anyhow, guys, complete fail. We did not realize that was in there. But
I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty. Oh, there's like
there's
three. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, they've been stuck together.
Oh, the lid just came off the table. Right, okay.
I caught it with my pinky finger.
Oh, that was not a good idea. So we have this container here and we have some shampoo. So first of all, we're just going to squirt some onto a tablespoon and put it into the beaker. We're going to get 2 tablespoons. So that's what it looks like so far. We might have to add some more later. And now we're going to get some table salt. And just add some in. So that's what it looks like so far. And now we're going to mix it together. Guys, so this is the end result of the slime. It is a complete fail. It's just like goo, and yeah, I did leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours and nothing really happened. So yeah, this is a fail. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, remember to smash that like button, comment down below, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.